Buenos dias, adventurers! Let's uncover the secret and beauty of Nicaragua, Cuba, and Jamaica. We are the Group 5 and we will be your tour guide for today's adventure.
Caribbean Lowlands. The Eastern Caribbean Lowlands, also known as the Mosquito Coast, comprise over 50% of Nicaragua's territory but are sparsely populated. This humid region includes coastal plains, the eastern spar of the Central Highlands, and the lower Rio San Juan Basin. The soil is generally rich and infertile except for fertile areas along river leaves and floodplains.
Buenos dias, amigos. Bienvenidos a Nicaragua. History of Nicaragua. Nicaragua was first inhabited by indigenous tribes from Mexico. When the Spanish arrived in 1502, they colonized the land and destroyed native communities. Nicaragua gained independence from Spain in 1821, but led to political instability. In 1936, Dictator Anastasio Somoza Garcia began his family's 43 years rule, a period marked by corruption, violence, and widespread poverty. In Nicaragua, the Sandinista National Liberation Front overthrew the Somoza regime in 1979. Backed by United States, the counter-rebels waged a 10-year civil war, killing over 30,000 Nicaraguans and devastating the economy. Nicaragua was struck by Hurricane Mitch in 1998, which claimed thousands of lives. In 1999, the international community forgave $6 billion of the country's debt, despite ongoing poverty and political strife. Nicaragua continues to strive for peace. Nicaragua's culture. Nicaragua's culture blends indigenous roots, Spanish colonialism, and Afro-Caribbean influences, creating a vibrant identity. Key UNESCO-recognized traditions include El Guguense and the Garifuna community's music and dance. Primary Spanish, with 7 indigenous languages like Misco and drama on the Caribbean gas. And their arts, music, marimba, and chicheros dominate festival. And their literature, poet Rubén Darío pioneered Spanish literary modernism. And their festival, a Catholic celebration where crowds chant to vibrant merry portraits. Afro-Caribbean dance festival with vibrant costume and drumming. Cuisine, staple dishes like gallo pinto, nacatamal, and rondon reflect mestizo and Caribbean fusion. Traditions mixed with indigenous rituals like honoring nature's spirit.
Tourism. Nicaragua offers a diverse range of tourist attractions, catering to various interests. Its tourism industry, the second largest in the nation, is driven by the country's stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Lakes and lagoons. Lake Nicaragua, one of the largest in Central America, is a major attraction, particularly Ametlap Island. Apoyo Lagoon near Manago offers swimming, kayaking, and relaxation. Beaches. Nicaragua boasts both Pacific and Caribbean coastline. San Juan del Sur on the Pacific is a popular surfing destination, while the Corn Island in the Caribbean offers snorkeling and diving opportunities. Rainforest. Busawas, the largest rainforest fork of the Amazon, offer ecotourism opportunities. The cloud forests around Miraflores provide hiking and opportunities to stay with local families.
It's time to travel the Cuba country. So first, let's discuss the geography of Cuba country. So Cuba is an island country located in the Caribbean Sea, and its geography is characterized by a diverse landscape encompassing flat plains, rolling hills, and mountainous regions. So the Cuba has 6 known mountains, which is the Sierra Maestra, the Piotrkino, or the highest peak in Cuba, the Sierra Cristal, Escambray Mountains, and the last one is the Sierra del Rosario. So the Cuba have a 6 significant bodies of water, which is the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, Gulf of Mexico, Straits of Florida, Windward Passage, and the Yucatan Channel. So if the Cuba has 6 significant bodies of water, the Cuba has also 2 water resources, which is the Laguna de Leche, or the largest natural lake, and the last one is the Zaza Reservoir, or the largest artificial body of water in Cuba.
So, good afternoon tourists. My name is Vincent Amego, but you can call me Kuya Vincent, and I am your tourist guide for this afternoon. So, now let's proceed to the history of Cuba. Cuba was first settled by the Guanac tribe and the same Native Americans. They were farmers, fishers, hunters, etc. Now, one of the known persons in history came in this country. This person is Christopher Columbus. Who among you guys know who is Christopher Columbus? Okay, no one knows. But Christopher Columbus landed in Cuba in 1492. The reason why Christopher Columbus landed in Cuba because he wants to claim the land for Spain. Christopher Columbus named the land Isla Juana, but is later changed to Cuba, which translates to the local Native American word, which is Cuavana. Yes, Cuavana. Cuba first fight for their independence in 1688 from Spain in the 10 Years' War. Led by the national hero Jose Martin, the war for independence became heated again in 1895, and in 1898, the U.S. government became involved in the war because one of these battleships, which is the USS Maine, exploded and sunk in the ocean, and because of this, the U.S. government take over the country, which is Cuba. But in 1902, Cuba got their independence. Now, let's proceed to the history and culture of Cuba. Cuba's culture and tradition is a varied mix of indigenous, African, and Spanish influences, including their dance, music, arts, religion, and cuisine. Cuba is known for the handmade rolled cigarette, and of course, smoking cigarette is considered a ritual in Cuba. Cuba's music is played all over around the world. Music is one of the most biggest part of Cuba's society. Because of this, Cuba's music is played all over around the world.
So next, let's explore the tourist attractions in Cuban country. So the first one is the Habana Vieja, or also known as Old Havana. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is carefully preserved as a symbol of Cuban history, and it is one of the primary tourist attraction in Cuban country. So next is the beaches and resort in Cuba. So first is the Varadero, the Cayo Coco and Cayo Guillermo, the Playa Pilar, and the last one is the Playa Paraíso.
It's time to travel Jamaica. Jamaica is a tropical maritime island in the Caribbean Sea, situated about 145 kilometers south of Cuba and 161 kilometers southwest of Haiti. The area of Jamaica is 11,420 square kilometer. Jamaica is a land of interior mountain ranges, with the Blue Mountains being the principal mountain range. The island's coastline is 1,022 kilometers long, with natural harbors, beaches, and rugged cliffs. Kingston, the capital, is located on the southeast coast overlooking the Blue Mountains. Montego Bay is the second largest city and tourism center, while other resorts include Port Antonio, Ocho Rios, and Negril. The original inhabitants of Jamaica are believed to be the Arawaks, also called Tainos. They came from South America 2,500 years ago and named the island Zaimaca, which meant land of wood and water. They grew cassava, sweet potatoes, maize or corn, fruits, vegetables, cotton, and tobacco. Tobacco was grown on a large scale as smoking was their most popular pastime. They built their villages all over the island, but most of them settled on the coast and near rivers as they mainly fished for food. The Arawaks led quiet and peaceful lives until they were destroyed by the Spaniards some years after Christopher Columbus discovered the island in 1494.
Jamaican culture blends African and European influences, emphasizing strong family ties, often three generations living together. The tropical climate supports a vibrant culture, including music, which is Bob Marley, and a strong sporting tradition, particularly in a track and field. 7 Mile Beach, Negril, renowned for its long stretch of white sand and calm water. Sa 7 Mile Beach ay makakapag-relax kayo at makakakita kayo ng mga puting buhangin at palilinaw ng mga tubig. So, ang mga activities dito na pwede niyong ma-experience ay ang swimming and snorkeling. Doctor's Cave Beach, Montego Bay, a popular beach known for its beautiful, crystal clear water. Kilala ito sa malinaw at maaliwalas na tubig. Perpekto para sa paglalangoy. Ang activities dito ay snorkeling and swimming. Rich Falls, a waterfall located in Portland Parish surrounded by lush rainforest. So, itong Rain Falls ay isang magandang falls na papalibutan ng mga kagubatan. Ang mga bisita ay nakakaranas ng paglangoy sa ilalim ng falls at pag-akyat sa mga bato. Blue Mountain, a highest mountain in Jamaica, offering breathtaking views and hiking opportunities. So, itong Blue Mountain, ang pinakamataas na bundok na nag-aalok ng mga magagandang tanawin. So, ang mga activities dito na pwedeng ma-experience ay hiking. Negril Beach, also known as 7 Mile. This iconic beach is a must-see for its beauty and relaxation. So, itong Negril Beach ay katulad siya ng 7 Mile Beach. Ang mga bisita ay nakakaranas ng pagre-relax, pagliligo sa mga dagat at pag-enjoy